So everyone, it's time to listen something today. As usual, we listen some clips, we listen some songs. We have seen many kind of speeches, some movies in English. There are many things. We have got many experiences. And today you will have a new experience as well. In that I will play a kind of drama, a kind of story you can say, short story. It is not on the basis of any movie, it's not the clip of any movie. It's a kind of message that somebody is trying to give us. So by this story, we would learn something that how somebody is trying to give us message. Our main purpose is to learn English speaking. And in English speaking, listening plays the very important role. If you are not a good listener, it's not possible that you can be a good speaker. To be a good speaker, one needs to be the good listener. As you listen, as you speak. Okay, so now I'm going to play a kind of story or kind of drama. You would see and understand what's going on there. Basically, whatever we would say here, watch here, it's not the thing that I have made myself. There are many things which are available on the sites. The thing which I have done here is that I have only searched that which is the best for you. As you are the learner, you are the freshers in the field of English. English is not our native language, so it's not possible that we can get this kind of environment. Our nearby people do not speak in English on the daily basis, or means in our daily use. They speak all the time Hindi, so it becomes very difficult to find this kind of environment in our society, even within our friend circle. So you have joined this institute. So in this institute, it is provided this kind of environment is given so that you can feel that how the environment of the English one is there. If somebody is finding this kind of environment, so what is the impact of that? For 1 hour, you would definitely feel that English is not that much difficult that we feel. So we would try to listen and we would feel this kind of environment. Okay. So you have to observe what? You have to observe the expressions, the grammar, the vocabularies, the sound and the accent, all the things. Be focused.
Delivery guy. Leave it on the table.
May I come in, sir?
Yes. No, you must be the delivery guy. Leave it on the table.
No, sir. I'm here for an interview.
You? Is this some kind of joke?
No, sir. I have an appointment.
What do you think you can do for our company besides your accent?
I have 2 degrees, sir. And back in my country, I used to be a CEO in the industry. May I sit down?
Yeah. This won't take long.
This is my dream job, sir. And if you give me a chance...
Janitor.
What?
We have an opening for a janitor. You can start tomorrow.
Now, you have watched a very short clip. I'm asking what exactly is going there. Can anybody tell?
So the foreigner guy is judging him like from his outfit, or he's just underestimating him.
Yes, he's underestimating or he's judging by his look or dressing sense, by his outfit. He's come for an interview. He's not from the country which basically the boss is living, means he's in the foreign. Now he's showing that I am the person who has done many of the degrees in many fields. So he's trying to say, but without judging, without taking the interview, he has given the job of janitor. You understand what is janitor? Who does the work of cleaning? Okay, all type of cleaning. So now let's see what happens here now.
That's not what I'm here for.
Listen, do you want the job or not? Because if not, don't let the door hit you in the rear on the way out.
How'd it go?
Now here, this lady is speaking this sentence. How did it go? What does it mean?
So how was it?
Yes. How did it go means how was your day? ये दिन कैसा रहा? आज का दिन कैसा रहा? Now she is asking to him. Now let's see what he's explaining.
Do you want to tell me about it?
Yes, but it wasn't what I expected.
It wasn't what I expected. It wasn't. ये नहीं था what I expected. जो मैंने expect किया था. Getting it? So he is replying now that it wasn't what I expected. I was expecting something different when he was going for an interview, but he didn't get that. He got a job janitor. So he is very sad.
What do you mean?
Now he's showing
Janitor? They gave you
the
a job
outfit
as
of
a
janitor.
and you said yes?
It was the fifth company this week. At least they gave me a uniform. I need the money. A janitor is better than nothing.
Yeah, the landlord called again.
The janitor is better than nothing. What does it mean?
So like at least he get janitor.
Yes. Did you ever listen this sentence? Something is better than nothing. Okay. हमारे पास कुछ नहीं है तो थोड़ा जो है उसमें ही हमें खुश होना चाहिए है ना? So he's telling that janitor is better than nothing. Okay.
He gave us another week. And he said this is our final notice.
Give me some time. Everything will work out.
I have no doubt in my mind that it will work out. And sometimes you do. Please have faith in yourself.
Did you call for me, sir?
Yeah, I spilled some coffee on the desk. Clean
I
it up.
spilled some coffee on the desk. Spilled मतलब फैलाया मैंने गिरा दिया. Okay, he came and asked, "Did you call me?" Then he said, "Yeah, I spilled some coffee on the desk. Please clean it." So spill means मैंने coffee फैला दिया उसको साफ करो. So very simple word and spelling, very simple grammar spellings are there. It's not too difficult to understand, but the accent is different, not simple. So you have to catch the accent as well. Okay,
Sir, so what is the meaning of landlord?
Makan Malik means his wife was saying the landlord has given some more time and it was the last notice that they have received, and after that they will not receive any notice. They will be asked to get out from the house. They have not paid the rent. They had no money, that's why.
Okay, so the boss wants this project to be a game changer. He needs something remarkable and innovative. As you see, in 2015, we weren't doing very well.
Mr. White? Mr. White?
Yeah?
I heard what you were talking about at the meeting.
Mm-hmm.
Is it possible? I mean, can I offer my project, please?
You? What do you know about it?
I have a master's degree in electrical engineering, sir. I know this topic inside
Of
out.
course you do. Yeah, you can do it. But remember, the deadline is tomorrow. You might have to stay up all night to do the work. But go ahead, buddy. Knock yourself out.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
What an idiot.
So did you understand what exactly happened here? Now the boss came out. He was having a kind of meeting with somebody else, and he listened that. Now he's saying, "Can I help you? Can I put my project? Can I put my ideas? What you were discussing about there?" Now the boss said that, "No, what you can do that." And finally he gave the task. Okay, you can go. You can make a project. If I like it, if I'm satisfied, I'll present it to the investors or kind of person who came for the meeting. Now he's saying, "What an idiot!" Means he was trying to just mock that you can do it. Is it possible? This kind of things he was saying. Now let's see what happened in next part.
Honey, I washed your uniform for you.